Humanity First is the name of the organization that we have picked to raise these funds, and these funds will be used for the flood relief in Pakistan.
I want to say what a testament it is to the spirit of Carmel and the surrounding communities to see all of you out here today on this glorious day for such a worthy cause.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here today. Assalamu alaikum. For those of you who aren't sure what I just said, it's basically a greeting of peace. And isn't it wonderful that we can all come here together in peace? Together working for the same cause, to show honor and love for the victims of floods in Pakistan. On July 31st, my kids and I were on the West Coast. We took my mom out for dinner at Taco Bell. On the same day, heavy monsoon rains began in Pakistan, in the Swat Valley. Now, some of you have probably heard of the Swat Valley before. It's often related to the Taliban. But you know, in the Swat Valley, there are also children and men and women who are not part of the Taliban, and 800 of them died that day. On August 9th, my children and I were trying to return to Indianapolis on an airplane. I remember this day because we ended up on a red-eye New York City. But on the same day, over 20% of Pakistan was covered in water. 20%. Now, I had heard of the flooding by this time, but surely I erroneously thought the flooding must be over by now. 3 weeks later, on a Monday night, my son had a soccer practice. On that same day in Pakistan, a second crest of water rose and submerged a city of 250,000 people, covered. That is the same size as Fort Wayne. What were you doing in August?
एक लड़का मुजफ्फर मियां था, नए दौर का मन चला नौजवान था।